This tutorial is for Steel Canyon students to access the Aeries course portal to enter their course requests for the 2021-22 school year. Steel Canyon students will log into the Aeries course portal by accessing the Steel Canyon homepage, logging into Aeries using their Gmail account, and then on the dashboard, click on Classes, and then Course Requests Entry. You'll notice there are subject areas on the left. You will go up to the drop-down menu that says Show All Courses, and you can either choose courses by subject area or just show all courses. I recommend that you just show all courses. That lists the courses alphabetically in columns, and there is a second page as well. Our test student is a 10th grader, so I'm going to show you how to enter your courses from your course request form that you submitted already. Please be sure you have access to a copy of what you submitted on your course request form, which should be in your inbox of your Gmail account or possibly in the spam or junk folder listed under Google Forms. So core classes are the required classes that you have to take to graduate. So the student is going to take honors 10th grade English with AP World History. So we're going to choose 10th English honors with AP. And then click on Request Primary because that is a core class that is required. The student is going to take AP World History along with English. So we're going to click on AP World History and then Request Primary as a core class. The math class they're going to be taking is Honors Math 3, so we're going to click on that, and then Request Primary as a core class. And then for science, the student will be taking chemistry and can choose, once class starts, to do honors level work in the chemistry class. We're going to choose Request Primary again. And then lastly, ENS is required for 10th graders, so the elective choice that this student chose as a first choice was weight training. So we're going to go to screen number 2 and click on weight training and Request Primary. For ENS, for sophomores, students can pick up to 4 choices for an elective, and I will show you how to do that. This student wanted they wanted team sports, which is right here. So we're going to click on Team Sports and then click on Request Alternate, just in case weight training isn't open. Their third choice was aquatics, and we'll get to that on the other screen, and then we're going to click on fourth choice is yoga and Request Alternate. So we're going to go back to the first screen and then find aquatics and Request Alternate. You'll notice that those alternate ENS electives have shown up at the bottom. So we're going to make sure that these are in the order that we want them to be in. So team sports is the student's second choice. Aquatics was their third, so that's not listed in the third spot. So we're going to click on priority sort, and then I'm going to move this by clicking and dragging it up to the third spot, and then yoga is fourth, and then click done. To connect that to the weight training class, we're going to click on manage next to weight training, and then select each one of those so that Aeries knows that if weight training is full, it should look for those other classes as well. And you notice there's a number 3 right there to show you that there are 3 alternates to that. We're also going to add alternates to the elective choices. So this student's elective, number 1 elective choice is AP Computer Science. So we're going to choose AP Com Sci and request as primary because that is the first choice elective. All the other choices, the 3 other ones, will be alternates. So the other classes that the student might be interested in taking are broadcast journalism, and we're going to click on Request Alternate, and then orchestra, and Request Alternate, and color guard, and Request Alternate. So then again, these are the 3 alternate classes. And you'll see them listed down here with the ENS choices as well. So we are going to click on Manage next to AP Computer Science because we need to connect those 3 alternate classes to that class in case there's no openings. So we're going to click on Broadcast Journalism, Orchestra, and Color Guard, and save. You'll notice there's 3 alternates connected to that primary choice as well. For any grade level that has multiple options, for example, seniors, you'll have 4 choices for your senior English class. You will do the same thing. You'll choose your number 1 as your primary senior English class, and then select 3 alternates. and then you're going to click on them. You're going to add them down at the bottom, click on Manage, and then select those so that those alternates are connected. To check and see if all the classes that you wanted have been entered in your course request, you can go back up here and click on Course Request on the left. And you'll see those classes listed now in your course request list. Please ignore all the circles and the blocks. Just take a look and make sure that all the classes that you wanted, your first choice classes, are listed, and then all of your alternates are also listed. And that is the pretty much the end of it. If you have questions about this or want to make sure that you selected the right classes, we highly encourage you to make an appointment with your counselor or academic advisor to double check and make sure that all the right classes are listed.